Following her retirement after 40 years of distinguished service as a judicial attorney for the California Supreme Court, humanitarian Olga Davis Murray founded a charitable organization that provides resources and love for children in Nepal who have nowhere else to turn. She has not only opened doors, she has created doors where none existed. Olga is a stirring example of the positive effect one person can have on the lives of others. For more than 40 years, Olga Murray participated in the crafting of many of the foremost state judicial rulings that continue to impact the lives of Californians today. Whether involved in landmark cases under consideration by the California Supreme Court or reaching out to the most vulnerable children of Nepal, Olga has embraced her commitments with passion, single-mindedness, and joy. Since her retirement from government, she has devoted her life to working with the Nepalese Youth Opportunity Foundation, providing a home, food, clothing, medical care, and education to children living in dire circumstances, 40% of whom are blind, deaf, or physically impaired. In all of its endeavors, the foundation strives to give the children a sense of their own self-worth and to help them become self-supporting Nepalis, able to create opportunities for others like themselves. You can do it, Olga encourages them. It's a lesson she learned from her parents. Born in 1925 in Transylvania to Hungarian parents, Olga's father and mother endured a painful 4-year separation while he worked in America to earn enough money to send for the entire family. Through their example, Olga learned about the value of hard work and about realizing dreams. Olga attended public schools in New York, graduated from Columbia University, and headed to George Washington School of Law. Working as an aide to noted columnist Drew Pearson, she put herself through school and made law review. After graduating, Olga came west to San Francisco and married Judd Murray in 1955. He would pass away in the 70s, and Olga remained close to her stepchildren and grandchildren. Olga obtained a position at the California Supreme Court, where she worked with Chief Justice Philip Gibson for 9 years. Then in 1964, she began what she calls her stimulating and significant work with Associate Justice Stanley Mosk, researching and drafting judicial decisions that brought California into the forefront of legal change in America. Some of the cases she considers the most important of her career involve issues of civil rights, women's rights, and the environment. Olga retired from the court, leaving a legacy of highly respected legal scholarship. She also left a living legacy of young attorneys whom she helped train, and to whom she has imparted her enthusiasm for the law and her belief in the difference it can make in people's lives. An avid traveler all of her life, it was while trekking in Nepal in the 1980s that she encountered children who were destitute, disabled, and without hope. Learning that $300 could send a young person to college, her response was immediate: "I'll support 4." That donation of $1,200 changed her life and has brought about many miracles. Olga says, kids have an enormous ability to snap back. You can have such an impact on their lives. It's thrilling to see the change. And today, the Nepalese Youth Opportunity Foundation supports 290 children. Olga spends 6 months of the year in Nepal with the children and 6 months at her home and office in Sausalito, working to secure funds to keep the many projects alive. Recently, a new program to assist severely malnourished children has demonstrated dramatic and inspiring results. And Olga's dream of a legacy of opportunity has become a reality. First-generation children such as Chudamani, who is now a physical therapist, are helping second-generation children. Olga feels she is a very lucky woman to be involved in all of their lives.